In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Slides as a PowerPoint file on a computer. This is perfect if you need to present offline, share a deck with someone who uses Microsoft PowerPoint, or keep a local backup. All you'll need is a computer, an internet connection, and access to your Google account. If you have PowerPoint installed, you'll also be able to open the file right away once it's downloaded. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to slides.google.com. This takes you to Google Slides on the web. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Go ahead and sign in so you can access your files. Once you're in, open the Google Slides presentation you want to download. You can select it from your recent files or search for it. Make sure it's the correct presentation and that any last-minute edits are saved. Google Slides saves automatically. But it's always good to double-check before exporting. With your presentation open, look to the top left corner and click on File to open the main menu. A drop-down list will appear. Move your mouse over the option labeled Download. Don't click yet, just hover over it. A side menu will expand with several formats. From that list, click Microsoft PowerPoint. This tells Google Slides to convert your presentation into a PowerPoint-compatible file. Now, wait for the file to download to your computer. Depending on your browser, you might see the download progress at the bottom or top of the window. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a folder you'll remember. Your desktop or downloads folder works well. If it downloads automatically, you'll typically find it in your downloads folder. The conversion is usually fast, but larger presentations with lots of images, videos, or animations may take a moment. When the download finishes, open the file using Microsoft PowerPoint. You can double-click the .pptx file or open PowerPoint first and browse to the file. If PowerPoint shows a security or protected view banner, select the option to enable editing so you can work with the slides. Take a quick look through your deck to confirm everything looks right. Most formatting, fonts, and animations carry over well, but if a font isn't installed on your computer, PowerPoint may substitute it. So choose commonly available fonts in Slides whenever possible. That's how you download Google Slides as a PowerPoint file. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.